No!
Subscribe to Bacon Strong to meet Ariana.
Hello, as I said 2 hours ago, the C-PRIT is going to escape tomorrow, on this day, 27 May 2009, 10 days after Minecraft was released, the C-PRIT was caught, but he said, "You have been burned into my memory." 16 August 2023, hide. 5195 days of peace you shall have. That was his last words before he got caught. Today is 15 August 2023. If you don't want the C-PRIT to get you, run. The timer is still going to remind you how bad this will be. It is 1:02 p.m. right now. I will come back in 7 hours. For now, you can keep watching. For now,